Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to make your mic sound like trash on mobile, Android and iOS. 1. Use a voice changer app. Apps like Voice Mod, Voice Changer with Effects, or Narrator's Voice allow you to distort your voice with low-quality filters. Look for settings like radio static, broken mic, or low quality to achieve a trashy sound. 2. Lower bitrate and sample rate. Some audio recording apps like Wave Editor or Rackforge 2 let you manually lower the bitrate and sample rate. Try setting the bitrate to 32 kbps or lower and the sample rate to 8 kHz for a degraded sound. 3. Use audio glitch effects. Some editing apps like CapCut, GarageBand, or AudioLab let you add distortion, crackle, or reverb to make your mic sound broken. 4. Block the mic with tape or cloth. Cover your phone's microphone with a piece of fabric, tape, or even your finger to muffle the sound. 5. Use a broken or cheap earphone mic. Plug in an old or damaged headset with a bad mic. Some cheap wired earbuds have low-quality mics that naturally sound bad. 6. Speak from a distance or muffle your voice. Talk from far away or speak with your mouth almost closed to create a muffled and clear effect. 7. Record in a noisy or echoey room. Record in an area with lots of background noise, like a fan, traffic, or TV, or a place with heavy reverb, like a bathroom or empty room. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!